with another video today. And in this video, I got a fun one. We got one of my old favorites, supercharged V8, which is an efficiency bay, and one of my better models of V8. And its combo is 8- cam friction. Good looking bay. I really like how this one turned out. And speaking of this bay, just remember guys, February is end of February is the deadline to get in your 3D models for my 3D printed tournament, which is going to be going on this channel. You guys don't even need to be subscribed, you just need to be part of my Discord soon. This was the bay that I used last season, and its name is Brake Shield. Now, I did change up its disc just because someone is using the Fortress disc, which is what I prefer to use on this. But we've got Brake Shield on Karma Absorb. You guys will not be seeing Brake Shield this season for the list. And just because I want to switch it up. I want to do something different. Brake Shield did great. Really proud of it. Let's see how it does against the old king of defense. Ooh, 1-0. So Brake Shield and V8 are really similar. They're defense types with a lot of attack potential. And neither one of them have ever been super efficient with their stamina. Both are high recoil defense types that love giving attack types a run for their money and sticking close to the center. 2-0. Brake Shield is doing pretty good so far. Supercharged V8 hammering away at Brake Shield. V8 does have the burst resistancy advantage. I'd say flat out, he's got the stamina advantage too if they were both left unprompted. But Brake Shield is definitely the better bay designed for defense. Just like that, it's 3-0. Brake Shield is a beast. Supercharged V8 just hammering away. So much power. That's like 3-0. Brake Shield is running away with this match. Brake Shield taking it to V8 for attack. Although V8's countering, he's trying to get a burst. I can see it. Both fighting for the center. 3-1. V8 finally gets there. Ooh. Almost there. Brake Shield trying to get a knockout. Ooh, that did not play off well. Huge waste of stamina, and now V8 can really take it to him. That's 3-2. Honestly, this is a match of will V8's stamina give out first, or will Brake Shield's burst resistancy fail? That's what we're playing on here. Huge hits. V8 loses a lot of stamina with these attacks. There it is. 4-3. V8 finally pulls into the lead. Just the power that this defense type has. It really is a contest of whose strength gives out first. It's a big gamble, but V8, well, let's face it, it's always been a gambler. There goes the frame! The frame exploded! I don't even know where the rest of it went. There's another piece of it. Oh my god! The frame exploded under the insane just recoil of these attacks. Wow! The frame gave out on V8. And it managed to win. That's insane. That's 2 frames that I've had explode recently. Deep Impact Shark, which no surprise there, that frame is kind of designed to be a glass cannon. But man, I can't believe that the cam frame actually broke. And this green filament too, this stuff has been super durable. I think it's been one of my more durable filaments ever. I can't believe it broke. Guys, if that doesn't show you how much power a defense type can really have. I mean, Break, Shield, and V8, they have so much attack power that they're literally able to break parts. I mean, you can push a defense type way farther than you think you really can. You really, really can. But wow, V8 with a spectacular finish there. You know, the old saying with motors goes is they always run the best they ever have right before they blow up. And well, you saw it there. That was its final run with that frame. All right, guys, that is going to be about it. V8 explodes but manages to steal the victory. That was great. Break Shield had the whole fight, but V8 just took a couple of gambles and, well, crossed the line in first. Alright guys, that's going to be about it. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification so you get all my videos because I upload Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And as always, hope this video makes your day just a little bit better. Live life to the max and stay awesome.